Today, we're going to install this black windshield sunshade. It folds up to a very small size. It's easy to open, just give it a flick and it pops open, made from graphene. The materials used inside also have a nice texture. Place the side of the graphene facing the sun against the windshield. Unfasten the Velcro in the middle and lift it up. Attach the Velcro strip to the rear view mirror. Then open the sun visors on both sides to hold the sunshade in place. And finally make any necessary adjustments. It provides excellent protection for our interior, so we no longer have to worry about the sun damaging it.